Inventory is managed on many different levels, from strategic or aggregate inventory management to item-level SKUs. Every organization will set different goals. Every organization also needs a place to start. A goal is defined in one way as something that you are trying to do or achieve. In the case of inventory management, organizations should typically set no more than 3 to 5 strategic goals. We will suggest a few to start your inventory management journey. The most basic sense of inventory management is focused on meeting the needs of various customers. This means having the right inventory at the right time and in the right amount without creating excess. This goal or vision, though not specific, defines perfectly how an organization can effectively maximize their inventory investments. For any organization to be successful, they must find ways to be profitable. Inventory must align with this and ensure that items are being sold and not tying up revenue for long periods of time. Next, inventory must support the business from 4 different perspectives. From a customer perspective, it must allow operations to have efficient fill rates with minimal cancellation. From an internal or operational perspective, inventory needs to keep each operational function flowing. From a financial perspective, it must add value and generate revenue while still allowing the business to not lock up too many resources. And finally, inventory should always give a company opportunities to learn and grow. Last but not least, inventory needs to be kept current. You may have some customers who are interested in buying older forms of inventory, but in general, obsolete inventory will not move. When inventory is current and ready to be sold, it enables an organization to sustain profits and continuously improve. Remember, these goals are generalized and apply to almost all organizations. For you, however, it is important that these are only a starting point. As you learn and develop, you should clarify your goals and hone in on opportunities that are specific to you. With that being said, we'd like to invite you to answer the following question in the community, comments, or upcoming assignments. What inventory management goal do you feel is most important and why? Remember, your response does not have to be one that we mention. It can be specific to you. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and don't forget to stay active in the community, visit regularly, sign up or subscribe, and keep coming back to find more solutions that ignite your power. See you in the next lecture.